And while we continue to look at live pictures of Bill Cosby as he's leaving that Montgomery County court in Norristown, there were also new developments in a civil case against Bill Cosby, this out of California. Today, a judge ordered Bill Cosby to attend a second deposition in a lawsuit filed by Judy Hutt. She's the one who claimed that Cosby sexually assaulted her at the Playboy Mansion, that back in the 1970s when she was 15 years old. And Cosby's lawyers have denied her accusations. And of course, Cosby has only been criminally charged in this particular case in Montgomery County where he was today, and we'll see them back tomorrow.
And Bruce Castor telling us, Rosemary, back in November of 2014, different standard if you're talking about a civil case versus a potential criminal prosecution. He said, I may have thought that he did something inappropriate, but thinking it and proving it in court, those are two different things.
That's right. He said he had a theory of what happened, but he really didn't have any proof specifically. He said there wasn't any physical evidence that at the time Andrea Constand came forward, about a year after the alleged incident occurred, that they couldn't test her hair for any traces of drugs that she claims Bill Cosby gave her during that alleged assault.
Rosemary Connor is live in Montgomery County. I'm wondering now if we can we have our legal analyst, Enrique Latoison. I don't know if he's available right now to talk to us, but Enrique, maybe you can give us some perspective. Today was a very surprising day, you said earlier, in terms of what Castor had to say.
Yes, I did find it surprising. I mean, in order for Mr. Castor to justify what he did and to explain it to the public and explain it to the judge, he basically had to smear the accuser in this case. He had to talk about her wiretapping, her waiting a year, her having to seek out a civil attorney ahead of time. And by explaining all those things, Castor was basically explaining to the court, this is why I did what I did. And he also went on to say this is common. This is something that he did when he was in charge at that time. Remember, this is the district attorney. This isn't someone who was working underneath him or an assistant. This was the district attorney at the time. And this is the way he did business, that this is the way he handled cases in that situation during that time when he was in office. Then that is what should go forward, and that is the way it should be accepted within the court. And I don't believe that you should be able now to go back on that.
All right, Enrique Latoison, thanks for weighing in here. And of course, we are still waiting to hear what the judge will decide in all of this. He's asked everyone to come back tomorrow as we continue to watch these live pictures from Skyforce 10 as Bill Cosby departs the courthouse in Norristown today.